If you work on website, mobile apps, presentations, thumbnails, or social media graphics, then having clean and modern icons can make your design look much more professional. Flat Icon is a platform that gives you the access to a huge collection of premium icons that you can download and use it in your project. Today I will share with you how it works, what you get inside, and how you can use these icons in your own designs, and why the lifetime deal can help you to save money while getting the high quality assets. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share the best tools, offers, and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the special discount. When you use the link, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the flat icon. And let's talk about why so many designers, marketers, and content creators use this platform. When you first visit the tool, you find a very clean interface that shows a huge library of icons. These icons are designed in a simple, modern, and professional flat style. They work perfectly for websites, apps, the YouTube thumbnails, digital marketing materials, business presentations, and even printed designs. Because the style is minimal, it fits almost any project you are working on. One of the best things about flat icon is how easy it is to find the exact icon you need. There is a search bar where you can search for your need, and here you can type word and the tool immediately shows the icons related to that topic. For example, if you type camera here, you get different camera icons in a various style. Let's say I like this style, so if I click here, you can see there are hundreds of icons available here. This makes your work faster because you don't waste time to browsing through hundreds of pages. Another useful thing is the variety of style available inside the platform. Even though the name is flat icon, they offer more than just one style. You can find colorful icons, the outline icons, the glyph icon, gradient icon, and many more. This helps you to match the icon style with your project design. If your website is modern and minimal, you can use the simple outline icons. If your presentation needs something bold and eye-catchy, then you can choose the colorful icons. Flat icon also gives the multiple downloads format. This is very important because different project requires different kind of file formats. You can download the icons in PNG or regular images. You can download this as the SVG for the high quality scalable graphics, and sometimes even in formats like EPS. SVG is especially valuable because it keeps the quality perfect at any size. If you are designing a logo, a banner, or big poster, SVG will make your design look sharp without any blur. Another thing many people love about flat icon is the ready-made icon packs. Instead of downloading icons one by one, you can download a full pack that follows the same style. This is useful when you want your entire design to look consistent. For example, if you are building a website, you can download one full pack of icon and use it for the whole website so that it can feel the unique and the professional. The platform is also very beginner friendly. Even if you don't have any graphic designing experience, you can still use these icons without difficulty. Now, you simply search, click, and you just download it. There are no complicated tools or settings. If you use the software like Canva, Figma, or Adobe's tool, then you can drag this icon directly into your project. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo, because this is one of the strongest reasons people choose the flat icon. Instead of paying monthly or yearly for the icon subscriptions, you can pay once and get the full access for life. This means you can download unlimited premium icons anytime you need them without worrying about recurring fees. For designers, freelancers, business owners, and content creators, this can save a lot of time and money in the long run. The lifetime deal usually gives you access to the thousands of icons, and this lifetime deal give you the even 3 user the 30,000 of the icons and lifetime updates also. And by that way, you can get the multiple formats and regular new content. You also get the right license to use the icon in your personal and commercial project. This is very important because free icon sites often come with the restrictions, but with this deal, you can safely use the icons in your client work, business branding, or online product. Another benefit of the lifetime deal is the freedom. You don't have to think about subscription renewal or the limits. You simply download any icon whenever you need it. Whether you are preparing a presentation, building a website, creating an app, or designing social content, you always have the high quality icons ready to use. Flat icon also keeps adding new icons. This means your library grows even after you buy the lifetime access. You can always find the updated and modern icons that match the latest design trends. Overall, flat icon is very helpful for anyone who wants the clean, modern, and professional icons without spending hours to searching in the internet. Now, it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and full of high quality icon styles that fit almost any project. With the lifetime deal, it becomes an affordable long term resource that you can use again and again in your business or creative work. So, that is all for today's video. I hope now you understand why this is important, the lifetime deal of the flat icon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and remember to use the link from description to grab the lifetime discount automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.